We will hear from 90 startups today. From those, 7 already got revenue in different stages. Our average ticket is 100K US dollars, 100,000. We are a pre-seed fund. And the average lead time from the first contact to the first check, it's around 2 months. That helps us to balance a deep analysis of the business and the technology, but also speed. Our average ticket is 100K US dollars, 100,000. We are a pre-seed fund. And the average lead time from the first contact to the first check, it's around 2 months. That helps us to balance a deep analysis of the business and the technology, but also speed, something that is fundamental as well. Our investments that they are unlocking new sources of capital for companies and our portfolio companies. Please have in mind that all companies in Selder's portfolio are aiming high in terms of going up and doing things on space, but also they have applications on Earth. In this first batch, we had companies that are primarily working on Earth at this point, but they're developing solutions that will be relevant for space exploration. We will need construction in space. We need tools for that. We need to manufacture fuel, fertilizers in space. One of the companies, Zymvita, is on track to do that. We need to produce food on space. We need to take care of the safety and security of astronauts, including biosecurity. ACOR is targeting that. Swisspo, which is really addressing critical issues related to infrastructure and transportation on Earth, is developing cutting-edge solutions that may be applicable in space in the future.
My name is Cynthia Brazel, and I'm the CSO of ACOR. My background is in marine and medical microbiology, and my expertise is with contamination control. Bacteria have hitchhiked up to the ISS, where they quickly develop resistance, degrade equipment, and contaminate life support systems, threatening astronaut health, long-term space travel, future space living, and cross-contamination back to Earth. The bacteria in the ISS water systems have become resistant to silver, the antimicrobial of choice, and it has already resulted in loss of hardware, impact to system operations, and increased resupply. To tell you why ACOR is uniquely positioned in this space, I will take you back to our origin story. I discovered novel bacteria from the coral reef environment that produce natural antimicrobials. ACOR's treatments either kill or inhibit the growth of a wide range of bacteria and fungi that contaminate surfaces and water, including resistant strains. ACOR has developed non-toxic surface cleaners, water treatments, and industrial process enhancers for use from deep sea to deep space. ACOR's water treatments were validated by NASA Marshall Space Flight Center to successfully eliminate 99.999% of contamination for the water recycling system used on the International Space Station. Contact us if you'd like to know more. Thank you.
Zymvita Factory started out by creating a microbe that could be sent into deep space and help astronauts survive on long exploration missions by converting the carbon dioxide they exhaled into glucose, a sugar which is a building block for many essential nutrients. However, with the climate crisis looming back here on Earth, Zymvita's team quickly realized the potential of microbes to help industrial sectors reduce their carbon footprint and create new revenue streams from their emissions. Zymvita's diverse team of scientists and engineers help clients assess their chemical operations and then create a customized microbe to aid in their decarbonization. Using their synthetic biology platform, Zymvita can reprogram microbes to absorb carbon dioxide and convert it into valuable organic chemicals. For example, scientists at Zymvita were able to reprogram a microbe to make ethylene, one of the most commonly used industrial chemicals. How? It turns out that bananas have an enzyme that naturally creates ethylene during the ripening process. Zymvita engineered this gene into a microbe that naturally absorbs CO2. Now, this microbe uses CO2 as a raw material to create bioethylene. Moreover, Zymvita has identified over 30 critical chemicals that can be made using their CO2 utilization synthetic biology platform. Let's stop emitting CO2 and start utilizing it instead. Contact Zymvita today and let's go carbon negative, climate positive.
Good day, folks. My name is John Griffin. I'm the CEO of Fusmatic Corporation. We're a cellular capital portfolio company. They invested in us last year. We're excited about that. We're honored. We're an engineering, design, and manufacturing company. We design portable rotary friction welding machine tools. These tools are used for welding engineered fasteners, deep sea, terrestrially, and eventually, I hope, in outer space. I look forward to meeting with you all one-on-one, if possible, or in a group during this first annual meeting, and going in further detail about our technology and our product and service offerings, product support service offerings that we're offering in the industries. Maritime, the energy, the military, and hopefully soon to be the space, commercial space ventures industries. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.
Hey everyone, this is Dennis Tudor, CEO and co-founder of Swisspo. Intercontinental high-speed transportation is reaching its limits in terms of speed, convenience, cost and sustainability. A new paradigm is needed. Our moonshot mission is to develop a technology platform that enables Hyperloop, the new transportation paradigm. We envision a continental map of connections between major cities that will facilitate collaboration and accelerate human progress. Just as putting a man on the moon radically advanced many industries, the requirements of Hyperloop push the technology beyond the state of the art. One example of our modular approach is the propulsion system, for which development is well underway in partnership with 2 local universities. This project is valued at $4.5 million and it is funded by the Swiss government, with the goal of developing, testing, and validating fundamental assumptions related to propulsion. The outcome of this project is a propulsion system that can be used not only in Hyperloop but also in rocket launchers. Our roadmap is planned for the next 10 years, with revenue being generated starting from 2025. We are well positioned to lead the Hyperloop industry, supported by strategic partnerships and investors that either enhance our market position, offer access to talent pool, or generate essential IP. Looking forward to see you at Cellular annual meeting.
Hi everyone, my name is Barbara Belvisi. I'm the founder and CEO at Interstellar Lab. So at Interstellar Lab, our mission is to design and to build pods where we recreate the perfect condition for life to thrive. And we do that on Earth, but also in space. So we are a team of 23 people coming from amazing companies like SpaceX, Thales, NASA, Trimble, Dassault, Disney, just to name a few. And we've been working over the past 2 years in building those inflatable solutions. Our first product is called Biopod, so it's an inflatable dome where we recreate the perfect condition for plants to grow. We have a terrestrial product. We're working on our low Earth orbit product and lunar product with space agency like NASA and CNES. And we, after building several prototypes, we are now moving into production, and we are ready to ship our first units to our customers before the end of this year. We're very lucky to have Seldor, who joined our recent round. We raised a total of 5 million in seed, and Seldor has been an amazing partner, and we're very lucky to have them on board. Thank you, and looking forward to meet you all very soon.